everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Discord account in less than a minute. So first things first, go to the discord.com/login to log into your account. Either log in via email or your phone number. After that, enter your password and hit login. I have already done that, so let's take a look at my account. This is how it looks when I'm logged in. If you go to the left bottom corner, go to the user settings, click on that, and we are almost done here. So scroll down. Now as you can see, here's a button delete account, so click on there. If you have saved password like I do, you can just choose the account and it will automatically delete it. If not, just type your password, click on delete account to confirm that you want to delete your account, and your account will get deleted. It won't get deleted straight away. Usually it takes 14 to 30 days, but I believe those 14 days are the minimum. So within those first 14 days after deleting your account, you will be probably able to reactivate your account if you contact Discord support team on their email. And this is it. So after you have done this, your account will be deleted, but after those 14 days, as I've said, and messages and images that you have sent won't be deleted. They will be there, but it just won't show up that under your username. It will be something like Discord user #000. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more details about how to delete or disable your account, go to the description of the video and visit my website, where I'm posting daily tutorials about deleting accounts, removing accounts, etc.